Good morning, dear student. Today we are starting our lesson number 2 of civics. Civics subject we are starting from today, so that you have to take out your civics workbook and civics copy also. Today I am giving to you the glossary word. You should write down that words in your civics copy. Lesson number 2, constitutional design. The contents of that lesson, only first content is there, that is reduced from your syllabi, that is the democratic constitution in the South Africa. That content is reduced from your syllabi. Now in that lesson we are going to see 2.2, why do we need a constitution, 2.3, making of the Indian constitution, 2.4, guiding values of the Indian constitution. Okay, that 3 points we are going to discuss in the present lesson. Glossary, after that you should write the glossary in your copy. Clause. Clause means a distinct section of the document. Means which sections are given in your documents, that we call the clause. Then constituent assembly. An assembly of people representative that writes a constitution of a country. That is the constituent assembly. Constitutional amendment, a change in the constitution made by the supreme legislative body in the country to modify or add some new articles. Fourth, draft, a preliminary वर्जन ऑफ अ लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स. जो लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स का एक वर्जन होता है उसको हम ड्राफ्ट बोलते हैं. फिलोसॉफी, द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स अंडरलाइंग one's thought and actions, that is the philosophy. Preamble, an introductory statement in the constitution which state the reasons and guiding values of the constitution. Then treason, the offense of the attempting to overthrow the government of the state to which the offender's own allegiance, that is the treason. Trustee, a meeting or a meeting place that has been agreed upon. Then sovereign, people have supreme right to make decisions on internal as well as the external matters. Then 10 number secular, citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion, that is the secular. Fraternity, all of us should be have as if we are members of the same family. No one should treat a fellow citizen as a inferior. Means all are equal before the law, and all members, if he or she belongs to any caste, any creed, any religion, but they all are the same before the law, that we call the fraternity. Okay, so that is today's some words which I given to you, that you have to write in your civics copy. Okay, from tomorrow the present lesson explanation will be start. Thank you.